Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level student. So today we have to discuss AS level physics paper, May-June 2025 paper, this year paper it means. So here we have a general physics topics are there, okay? Power, acceleration, forces, work done, fine. We'll discuss them thoroughly, alright? So here, first question, define the power. Power is basically rate of doing work, fine, or rate of energy transfer. You have to even write P is equal to W over T, fine. So here, yeah, that's it, because this is 1 mark question, even though this much part is enough, fine. Then nextly, an electric current is powered by motor. The car is traveling at a constant rate of 35 meter per second along the straight horizontal road. Here you can see this one, car is traveling, then we have a resistive forces given as well, right? And then the power transmitted to wheel of the car by the motor, that is what we have to calculate. Here the power transmitted, P is equal to, we have a resistive force times velocity, fine. So here resistive force is 1750 and velocity is given here, that is 35 meter per second. Yeah, then if you calculate this one in your calculator, we will get the 61250. It means 6.125 times 10 to the power of positive 4 watt is the power, getting it? Or even you can write as a 16.3 kilowatt, fine, as well, but they are asking in the watt, so this one is the right, that's it, okay. Then nextly, calculate the useful work done by the motor when the car travels a distance of 17 kilometer. So we have to calculate work done. Work done is basically force times displacement, okay. So force times displacement means here how much force is there? Applied force, which is 1750 resistive force, okay, and the distance travel is 17 kilometer is there. In meter it's a 17000, that's it, okay. Now if you again calculate in your calculator, we'll get the 2.975 times 10 to the power of 7 joule, okay. This is work done, fine. Now the next part is the potential difference across the motor has a constant value of 600 volt. Motor has a efficiency is given 85%. Calculate the current in the motor. So current here, we have to firstly calculate, use the efficiency relation to calculate the power in, fine, and based on the power in we can calculate the current in the motor. So what's the efficiency? Efficiency is equal to power out over power in. So power in, we have to calculate power out is basically, we have calculated here 6.1245 times 10 to the power of 4 watt is there, okay. So 6.125 times 10 to the power of 4 divided by efficiency, which is 0.85. Yeah, so if you do this calculation again in your calculator, we'll get the 7.206 times 10 to the power of 4 watt. Now we got the power in, so power in is equal to V times I. So we have to calculate current, so Pn over V, isn't it? So Pn is equal to 7.206 times 10 to the power of 4 divided by constant value of potential difference is 600. So divide this one, you will get the 120 ampere. 120.1 ampere, so it means it's a 120 ampere, that's it. Now the next part is car in the now reaches the slope, okay, and it is given or shown in the diagram as well. The car continues down the slope at the same speed. This is the important word, same speed. State and explain effect, if any, on the slope, the air resistance acting on the car. Now the car is basically having the same speed is there. Same speed means the air resistance depend upon the speed of the car, right? Air resistance depend upon speed, okay. So constant speed, same speed means same resistance, yeah, same air resistance, isn't it? So means air resistance remain unchanged, so no change. The answer is no change in air resistance. Yeah, so this is what you have to write or mention in this answer. Then next part is the current in the motor, okay. So this is moving in the slope, right, along the slope. Yeah, so on the downward slope, right, here the component of car's weight helps to balance the resistive force force, therefore motor need to supply less force. Here along the slope, less force, it means less power. Yeah, less power means P is equal to VI, right? So the V is constant. It means the current I component decreases. Getting it? So the current in the motor decreases. That's a answer. I hope you got this step by step answers. Fine. If you want to ask anything, comment in the comment box. I will try my best to answer them. And our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us for explanations like this, I have left the contact in the description box. Thank you. Enjoy the physics.